Rolling barn-style frameless glass shower enclosures by ABC Glass and Mirror. The space-friendly configuration, the durability, and the elegance of these rolling barn-style enclosures come in the following premium options. 60 roller series for shower and bathtubs. '70 roller series for shower and bathtubs. '80 roller series for shower and bathtubs. And dual roller series for shower and bathtubs. Optimize your space, beautify your bathroom, and increase the value of your property with the beautiful rolling barn-style frameless glass shower enclosures by ABC Glass and Mirror.